Why are you in my backyard? I don't know. Okay, carry on. Here's the flowers on the beach. Okay? Yes, whatever that means. Okay. So, we're going to be going up in the morning, down in the evening. Up in the morning, down in the evening. Okay? So when I stop in front of you, say, Mr. Beach, show me your honey. That's pretty weird, but up